I'm already here in State Manager, which you can get to by looking in the navigation pane under Actions and clicking on State Manager. As we saw before, here is the association we created to collect inventory from our instances. Now we're going to create another association. Click on the Create Association button. For the name here, we're going to go ahead and call this something obvious like code deploy-association. Scroll down a bit to the document section. And then under the document section, go ahead and click in the search field here. Click on owner, owned by me, which in your case would be owned by you. And I have one document here, install code deploy agent. Go ahead and select the radio button next to that. Let's scroll down to targets. And we're going to go ahead and select targets by specifying tags. The tag key is AWS CloudFormation stack-name again. And then the value is going to be auto-scaling-production. And then under specify schedule, we're going to go ahead, stick with the default of every 30 minutes. Excellent. Now, scroll down please to advanced options. And under the compliance severity, we'll go ahead and just select high. Now at the very bottom, all the way at the bottom, click the Create Association button. And it says Create Association Request Succeeded. Scroll down a little bit, and there we go. It is currently running. After a few moments and a refresh, we see that the association succeeded. Go ahead, please, and click on the Association ID, and then click on the Resources tab. Scroll down a bit, and then now let's go ahead and click on the first instance in the list. And by the way, have you noticed Systems Manager requires a lot of clicking? Click, please, again on the Configuration Compliance tab. Scroll down just a bit, and then click in the search box here. Under Compliance Type, we'll do Equal, and then Association. Scroll down a bit, and there's the association. It's the last one in the list. So every 30 minutes, Systems Manager will rerun this association, check whether the code deploy agent is installed, and if it's not installed, then Systems Manager will install it. This is all well and good, but what if someone uninstalls the agent from an instance? Let's find out. We're going to manually uninstall the agent from one instance. And to do that, yes, we're going to use Session Manager. In the interest of time, I've gone ahead and jumped into a Session Manager session with the same instance on which we installed the old version of Git. Now to uninstall the code deploy agent, we're going to do a sudo yum remove -y code deploy -agent. And just like that, it's uninstalled. Now let's jump back over to State Manager. Now back here in State Manager, I've got the association already pulled up. This is the same one that we just created. And I'm going to click the Apply Association Now button. And then it asks me, are you sure you want to send the request to apply this association now? Yes. Click the Apply button. And your association was applied successfully. That sounds good. Once the association completes, let's jump back to Session Manager, and we'll do a sudo yum list installed code deploy -agent. And indeed, the code deploy agent is installed once again. Now, before we finish up, I want to show you one more thing. Now, under Insights, I'm back here at Configuration Compliance. Scroll down, please, to the Compliance Resources Summary, and then click on the number 2 under Compliant Resources for the Association Compliance type. Now let's scroll down to the bottom. Notice that both instances show as compliant. Now think about this. We uninstalled the code deploy agent from one of these instances. We then applied the code deploy association, which reinstalled the agent on the instance. From the perspective of Systems Manager, the fact that the code deploy agent was missing doesn't matter. All Systems Manager is concerned with is, did that command document execute on the instance successfully?